Hi everyone, Melanie Cameron here with the Cameron team, Coldwell Banker's Seacoast Advantage in Wilmington, North Carolina. Wanted to give everyone a quick update of kind of where we stand mid-year in the real estate market in the Cape Fear region. Now I'm looking at New Hanover, Pender, and Brunswick County real estate markets. Now some of the numbers that I'm going to say here are going to be a little different than what I report weekly in my Monday market update, because the numbers that I've received from our local board also include manufactured and modular homes. So just take that with a grain of salt as I put these numbers out, but I think it's a good indicator of where we are, where we've been, and what we have to look forward to in the future. The current inventory as of June of 2023, we are sitting at 2,530 homes on the market. It's actually a pretty decent increase from where we were in January of this year, where we were at 1,686. So a pretty big increase there in the first 6 months of the year. Last year at this time, there were just over 2,100 homes on the market. So we saw kind of an up and down a little bit, which we've seen that across the board, I think really every month anyway. I think we're just getting back to a more normal market as we see inventory increase. And I think that will continue to be a slow and steady process through the end of the year. The list to sell price ratio really hasn't seen a drastic change in the past year. As of June of this year, sellers were getting 99.1% of their list price. Now, we have seen more price reductions this year than we did last year, but the list to sell price ratio currently, as of June, was at 99.1. It was actually better than it was in January of this year, where it was 98.2%. Now, last June, remember, that's when we started seeing the interest rates increasing, and we had really low inventory and sellers were getting over asking price. In June of last year, we were at 101.1%. So to be at 99.1 mid-year of 2023, I think is still pretty strong. We are still seeing some sellers get over asking price, but it is definitely, that trend has definitely dropped off pretty substantially. And I think will continue to do so as the inventory numbers start to creep up. The number of homes we have on the market, or the months of inventory that we have currently on the market has definitely gone up since last year. We are currently at a 1.8 month supply of inventory. What that means is it's an absorption rate. If no other properties came on the market at the rate that they are currently selling, it would take 1.8 months for all the homes to sell. Obviously, homes are continuing to come on the market and go off the market. But as we sit now, we're at a 1.8 supply month of inventory. In January, we were at a 1.9. So that's actually lessened over the first part of this year. Last year at this time in June of 2022, we were at a 1.2 month supply of inventory. So as obviously then we had a lot less homes on the market, and we've steadily seen that increase. The average sales price kind of been all over the place. We have seen it go up and down really on a month-to-month basis. We are currently seeing the average sales price in the Tri-County area be around $452,000. That has dropped a little bit from the beginning of the year, where it was around $495,000, but definitely up from last year. Last June at this time, it was around $407,000. So I think we'll continue to see that trend go up and down. It really depends on the time of year. But I don't take a whole lot of stock in that. I really look at the list to sell price ratio, the months of inventory, and the days on the market. Speaking of days on the market, we are currently sitting at an average days on the market of 40 days. Not much change from the first of the year, where we were at 41 days. Not a huge change. A pretty decent change, almost double from where we were last year at this time, where the average days on the market was 19. So that's doubled. 19 honestly was really good. 40 isn't bad, y'all. It's still a quick turnaround time if you're trying to sell your home. I think that number will probably start to creep up a little bit as we get into the fall. People are getting their kids back to school. We have the holidays, and it's typically honestly just a little bit slower time of year. Overall, we are not seeing any drastic changes in the market. I'm not seeing prices drop drastically. I'm not seeing the days on the market skyrocket. Homes are still selling. Buyers are still buying. The sky is not falling. If you have any particular questions about your home, your neighborhood, or a particular area of town that you're interested in, call me anytime. I'm happy to run the numbers and explain it to you. You can call or text me at 910-233-2840. We also have some great information on our website, our YouTube channel, and our other social media sites, both for buyers and sellers, to educate you on the process. And I hope, get you ready to buy or sell. Again, go to thecameronteam.net. Check out our YouTube and social media sites for all your real estate needs. And we look forward to helping you. Have a great day, everyone.